has come. Good morning, students. Good morning. Am I audible? Yes, Nipani students. Am I audible? Yes or no? Yes. Okay. Where are the boys? Hey, where are the boys? I'm fine. How are you? Good morning. Where are the boys? Restroom. Okay. What about other classes? Okay. So what was the last thing that we were discussing in mathematics? Boys, welcome. Good morning. Where are your friends, others, boys? Mike Kodi, boys ke? Okay. Can you all open the books? What was the last thing we were doing? Integration alli, yes, last class ಒಂದು 10 ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ಅಲ್ವಾಪ? ಎಸ್ ಆರ್ ನೋ? 10-12 ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. Isn't it? Integration by substitution we did, right? So shall we take up some more questions on this different exercise? Trigonometry adella tagolona. Okay. Okay, write down. Okay, let's do this question. Please write first question for today. Integration. First question is integral 1 by sin x plus root 3 cos x dx. Okay. How to solve this, children? Anybody would like to say? What should be our first step here? Any idea, students? Hi, St. Joseph, good morning. You have joined? Okay. Good morning. Yes. What about New PU College, Raibag? Good morning, students. Settle down quickly. Okay. So, how do we solve this, students? Who can tell me what do you think should be our approach here? ಏನಪ್ಪ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಿಲ್ಲಿ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ? ಜಲ್ದಿ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್. Okay, I will tell you, please remember this. Whenever you have a sin x plus b cos x, when you have like this a sin x plus b cos x, you know what you should do? You should multiply and divide by root of a square plus b square. Can you all repeat what you should do? You should multiply and divide by root of a square plus b square. Can you tell me how much is a, how much is b? In this question, how much is a? A eshtappa? What is a? A is 1, b? Root 3. So, you should multiply and divide by maths. Tappagide only maths. You should multiply and divide by root of a square plus b square. isn't it? So how much will it be when you multiply and divide by root a square plus b square? Just a minute. Saturday ಮಾಡೋದಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ರೇಷ್ಮಾ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಕಡೆ ಅವರೇನು ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ. So divide by root a square plus b square. ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತಪ್ಪ? It will be what? How much will this be? This will be root 4, which is 2. So let's multiply and divide by 2. So 2 sin x plus first I will divide here. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. And because I have divided, I am also multiplying outside the integration. ಈ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಪ್ಪ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್? Did you understand this step?
Yes, sir.
Now why should you multiply by root a square plus b square? Any idea? Why should you divide by root a square plus b square? Why? Because now when you do that, is this looking like sine 30? Is this looking like sine 30? Yes or no? Half is looking like sine 30 or cos 60, and root 3 by 2 is looking like what? Sine 60. Iga can you modify this? ಇದೇನಾಗತ್ತೆ? Sine a sin x cos 60 plus cos a sin 60. This is what we get. ನಾನು ಸ್ಯಾಟರ್ಡೇಗೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದೆ, ಅವ್ರು ಕಮ್ಯುನಿಕೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ನೀವು ಹೇಳಿ ಸ್ಯಾಟರ್ಡೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಈಗ ಮಿಡ್ಲಲ್ಲಿ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಹೆಂಗೆ? ಶುರು ಮಾಡಾಯಿತು, ಈಗ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡೋದು, ಸ್ಯಾಟರ್ಡೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ನೀವು. ಅದು ಕಮ್ಯುನಿಕೇಷನ್. ನಾನು ಮಾತಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ರಘುನಂದನ್ ಸರ್. Okay, so this is like sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. What is sin a cos b plus cos a sin b? It is sin of a plus b. 60 degree andre pi by 3 basically. Now what is 1 by sin? What is 1 by sin theta? 1 by sin theta andre what is 1 by sin? Cosecant alva. So you will have integral cosecant theta. Can you tell me what is integral of cosecant theta? What is integral cosecant theta? Students, nobody is able to remember what is integral cosecant theta? Integral cosecant theta is log of cosecant theta minus cot theta. Yes or no, students? Yes? Why nobody is answering? Yes. So what is the answer here then? Half log mod cosecant x plus pi by 3 minus cot x plus pi by 3 plus c. Any doubts so far, students? Are you there, children? Any step I need to repeat again here?
Sir, repeat this again.
Repeat this again. Okay. So the question was, there is sin x plus root 3 cos x. And I told, whenever there is a sin x plus b cos x, you should multiply and divide by root of a square plus b square. Andre a is 1, b is root 3. So you should multiply and divide by 2. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಸೈನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಕಾಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈನೂ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈಯಿಂಗ್ ಔಟ್ಸೈಡ್. ಓಕೆ, ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಅಡ್ವಾಂಟೇಜ್ ಆಫ್ ಡೂಯಿಂಗ್ ದಿಸ್? ನೌ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಲುಕ್ ಎಟ್ ಇಟ್, this half is cos 60 and root 3 by 2 becomes sin 60. Aga it looks like sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. What is sin a cos b plus cos a sin b? Sin of a plus b. So it becomes sin of a plus b. And 1 by sin andre cosecant theta, and integral cosecant is log of cosecant theta minus cot theta. Are you clear? Hey, Raibag students, none of you have opened your books also. Open the books quickly. Shivanand sir, everyone should open the notebooks. Boys, open the books. Ah.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, in third step, why are you taking 1 by 2 constant?
ಇದು ಒಂದು ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಮೆಥಡ್. ಎ ಸೈನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಬಿ ಕಾಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ ನೀವು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈನೂ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಬೈ ರೂಟ್ ಎ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಬಿ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್, ಡಿವೈಡು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಈ ಥರ ನೀವು ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಅಡ್ವಾಂಟೇಜ್ ಏನಂದರೆ, ಒಂದು ಟರ್ಮ್ ಕಾಸ್ ತೀಟಾ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಟರ್ಮ್ ಸೈನ್ ತೀಟಾ ಆಗಿಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. ಇಫ್ ಯು ಡೋಂಟ್ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಇಟ್, 1 ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ರೂಟ್ 3 ವಿಲ್ ನಾಟ್.
But third step.
ಇಲ್ಲ,
Third step.
see below this,
1 by 2.
this 2 I am carrying it. ಇದೇ 2 ಅನ್ನು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಗೆ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ತಿರ್ಗಾ ಅದನ್ನು ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಬೇಕಲ್ವಾ, ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅದು ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟ್ರಲ್ಲೇ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಡಿಡ್ ಯು ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್? ಸಿ, ಈ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಪಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದೆ ನಾನು? ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈನೂ ಮಾಡಿದೆ, ಡಿವೈಡೂ ಮಾಡಿದೆ. ಆರ್ ಯು ಏಬಲ್ ಟು ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್? ಈ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋದು ಕಾಸ್ 60 ಸೈನ್ 60 ಆಯಿತು, ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಆಗಿರೋದು ಅದು ಹಾಗೆಯೇ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟ್ರಲ್ಲಿ. ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್? ಎಸ್? ಓಕೆ. ನಾವು ಸಮ್ಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಹೀಗೆ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಓಕೆ, ಬಟ್ ಸಮ್ಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ದೇ ವಿಲ್ ಆಸ್ಕ್ ಯು ಟು ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಫರ್ದರ್. ಇದನ್ನು ಹೆಂಗೆ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡೋದು, ಫರ್ದರ್ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡೋದು? ಐ ವಿಲ್ ರೈಟ್, ಫಾರ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಬೀಯಿಂಗ್ ಶಾಲ್ ವಿ ಅಸ್ಯೂಮ್ ದಿಸ್ ಹೋಲ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ ಆಸ್ ತೀಟಾ. ಓಕೆ, ಇದನ್ನು ತೀಟಾ ಅಂತ ಅಸ್ಯೂಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಯು ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಕೋಸಿಕೆಂಟ್ ತೀಟಾ ಮೈನಸ್ ಕಾಟ್ ತೀಟಾ? ಇದನ್ನು ಹೆಂಗೆ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡೋದು? ಕೋಸಿಕೆಂಟ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಏನಪ್ಪ? Cosecant means 1 by sine, and cot means cos by sine. So ಈಗ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಕಾಮನ್ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಪ್ಪ, ಸೊ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಐ ರೈಟ್ ಇಟ್ as 1 minus cos theta by sin theta? Yes or no, students? And what is the formula for 1 minus cos theta? Very good. Who is that? Srujan? Who's answering? Srujan, very good. 2 sin square theta by 2. And sin theta ge, what is the form? 2 sin theta by 2 into cos theta by 2. So 2 2 cancel ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಒಂದು sin theta by 2 ನು cancel ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So what is sin by cos? What do you get? Tan. So ಈ ಥರನೂ ಬರಿಬೋದು. So in the next step, instead of cosecant minus cot theta, I can also write this as half log tan ಥೀಟಾ ಬೈ 2 ಅಂದರೆ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಟರ್ಮನ್ನು ಬೈ 2 ಮಾಡಬೇಕಿಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ is also an answer. Did you understand, students? You can either write like this or like this based on options ಹೆಂಗಿದೆಯೋ ಅದು ಪ್ರಕಾರ you should decide. Yes or no, children? Okay, note down. I'll give you 1 minute, then we'll take up to the next question. Done, students? Can I go to the next one? Okay, next. Next one, please write. Next question is, how do you solve this question? Integral 1 plus cos 2x into 1 minus tan square x dx. Okay. ಹೆಂಗೆ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಇದನ್ನು ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್? ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಹೇಳಿ. ವಾಟ್ ಡು ಯು ಥಿಂಕ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಅವರ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್? ವಾಟ್ ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಅದು ಬೇಡ ಅಂತ. ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ 1 ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಕಾಸ್ ಥೀಟಾ or what is 1 plus cos 2 theta? So 1 plus cos 2x, 1 plus cos 2x is 2 cos square x. So adanna bariri hange. Okay, so then this will be again dx by 2 cos square x into 1 minus tan square x. Can anyone tell me what is the next step, students? Next step ಏನು ಮಾಡೋದು boys? What is this? Yes, next step ಏನು ಮಾಡೋದಪ್ಪ? What is the next step? What is 1 by cos square? 1 by cos square ಎಷ್ಟಪ್ಪ? Secant square. So I think now next step you can only tell half secant square x dx. 1 by cos square became secant square. ಈಗ ನೀವೇ ಹೇಳಿ, what is next step? No, put tan x as t. Why you should put tan x as t? What is the derivative of tan x? Secant square x dx will become dt. So it will be half into dt by 1 minus t square. And I hope in exercise 7.4 ನೀವೊಂದು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಕಲ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ, ಇಂಟೆಗ್ರಲ್ 1 by a square minus x square. Anyone remembers what is the formula for this? 1 by 2a into log mod a plus x by a minus x plus c. So adanna illi direct agi use ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. How much is a? How much is a here? 1. So answer will be this half will remain into 1 by 2a, 2 into 1 into log 1 plus t by 1 minus t plus c. So it will be 1 by 4 log 1 plus tan x by 1 minus tan x plus c. ಇದು ಏನೋ ಒಂದು ಐಡೆಂಟಿಟಿ ಥರ ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ನನಗೆ. ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಎನಿ ಒನ್ ಟೆಲ್ ಮಿ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್? ಎಸ್, ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್. ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದಿಸ್? ಟ್ಯಾನ್ ಆಫ್? ಯಾ, ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್. Tan of pi by 4 plus x. 1 plus tan x by 1 minus tan x is tan pi by 4 plus x. So ಇದನ್ನು ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಈ ಥರ. 1 by 4 log mod tan pi by 4 plus x plus c. Okay. Very important question. So what is the learning? Whenever there is tan in the denominator and you have 1 plus cos theta, 1 plus cos theta will become 2 cos square theta, and that when it goes to the numerator it will become secant square. So then putting tan x as t is the best method. Yes, ma'am, room number 19, Sonali ma'am. ಯಾರು ಬರೀತಾನೆ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ಬರೆಯಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳಿ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್. ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ವಾಟ್ ಆರ್ ಯು ಆಲ್ ಡೂಯಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್? ಇಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಪಾಸ್, ರೈಟ್? Other classrooms, Aditya sir, other classrooms, can I see who are writing, who are not writing? Let us see. Yes, classroom Nipani, other classroom now. Yes, Shweta ma'am, check everybody's notes. I don't want them to simply dream. Sundar sir, ಎಲ್ಲರದು ನೋಟ್ಸ್ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಅವ್ರು ಬರೀಲೇಬೇಕು, ಕ್ಲಾಸಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. ಶಿವಾನಂದ್ ಸರ್, ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಬರಿತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ. ನ್ಯೂ ಪಿ ಯು ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ರಾಯ್ಬಾಗ್ ಸರ್, ನೀವು ಒಂದ್ಸರಿ ಹೋಗಿ ಎಲ್ಲರನ್ನೂ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಸರ್, ಬರಿತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ. ಓಕೆ, ಐ ಹೋಪ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್. Okay, now let me go to the next one. Can you tell me how to solve this? Okay, this is a little tough one. Let's see. I'll give you options also here. Integral root tan x plus root cot x dx. Okay. Options are oh really? Okay. Should I write it little down? Question is simple. It is integral of root tan x plus root cot x. Okay. And options are Maybe I'll give you the first step clue. Anybody would like to try? What can be a first step for this? Any clue, students? First step ಏನಂತ ಮಾಡೋದಂತ? Yes, quickly, students. Tan x is sin x by cos x. Very good. That will help us actually, because if you write it like this, root sin x by root cos x, then plus root cos x by root sin x. LCM ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? What do you get when you take LCM? You will get sin x plus cos x. Alva? Do you want to do that way, or shall we write cot as 1 by tan? Which one would you prefer? I would say better you write tan as cot as 1 by tan. That will be more easy. Okay. See, if you write tan as cot, if you write as 1 by tan, then I think it's quite simple. What will happen when you take LCM, students? So you will get tan x plus 1 divided by root of tan x, isn't it? Okay. Now what I will do, I will put tan x as t. But if I put tan x as t, okay, let's do that. Okay, put tan x as t, then secant square x dx becomes dt, or what is dx? Dx ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? Dx will be what? dt by secant square x. Yes or no, students? So ಈಗ tan x ಗೆ t ಅಂತ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಸೊ tan x ಗೆ ಏನಂತ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು? t. dx ಗೆ what you should substitute for dx? dt by secant square x. But now how do you write secant square x in terms of tan x? What is secant square x in terms of tan x? 1 plus tan square. So you write this as dt by into t plus 1 divided by root t into 1 plus t square. Yes or no, students? Did you understand? Okay. Yes. Now what next? Next ಏನು ಮಾಡೋದು? You try to divide this root t here. Okay, now you need to integrate this. How do you integrate this? Any idea, students? How do you integrate this? Any thoughts? ಈ ರೂಟ್ ಟಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ dt into root t plus 1 by root t, and here I will have t square plus 1, isn't it? Any thoughts after this? What to do? Any idea, students? Think for a minute at least. Any thoughts, students? What do you think is the easiest way to solve?
Then, sir,
Ah, okay, what next? I'm asking what next, Anta. What do you think can be a next step? It's a little tough, no, to solve from here, isn't it? Okay, so maybe what we'll do in such a case, one option is probably we can differentiate the options and check. Let us differentiate the first option, okay, and check. Uh, Wait, let me do it in the next page. What is derivative of d by dx of this? When you differentiate this, what you will get? Can you differentiate this? What is derivative of tan inverse? 1 by 1 plus x square. Actually, okay, 1 by 1 plus x square. So, ee tara baratte. 2 tan x into derivative of this, isn't it? Derivative of this, again you should use quotient rule. So, it will become secant square x root 2 tan x minus tan x into 1 by root 2 tan x into 1 by 2 root x into secant square anta. It will be okay. So, then you have to simplify, or 1 minute. Maybe if you write sine and cos, things may simplify. If I write tan as sine by cos, then what will we get? Let us see. Sin x by cos x, then cos x by sin x. Now, can you expand what you will get? When you take LCM, you will get sin x plus cos x divided by root of isn't it? Yes. If what is this? What is 2 sin x cos x? What is 2 sin x cos x?
sin 2x.
So, can I write this as sin 2x by 2? Yes or no? So, let us do that. So, I will write this as sin 2x divided by 2, and denominator L hogatte, it will go to the numerator. Now is the important step. Okay, illindane one important step you need to do. Okay, you know that 1 minus sin 2x. What is 1 minus sin 2x?
Cos x minus sin x whole square.
Very good. Cos x minus sin x whole square. Why am I wanting to write cos x minus sin x? Because what is derivative of cos x? What is derivative of cos x? Minus sin x. I have a plus sin x here. What is derivative of sin x? Cos x. Or can I write this as sin x minus cos x whole square also? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Alva? So, I will write 1 minus sin 2x as this, but illi 1 illa. So, what is sin 2x then? Sin 2x, idanna aa kade transfer ಮಾಡಿ, idanna ee kade ತಗೊಂಡು. What is sin 2x? 1 minus sin x minus cos x whole square. Yes or no? So, now you write that here. So, you will get root 2 into sin x plus cos x, then divided by root of 1 minus sin x minus cos x whole square. Now you put sin x minus cos x as t, obviously then this will become dt, right? So what is the answer? Root 2 dt by root of 1 minus t square. And what is the integral of this root of 1 minus t square in the denominator? Is it looking like 1 by root a square minus x square? What is the answer for this? What is the integral for this? Sin inverse x by a. So illi ಏನು ಅಂತ ಬರೀಲಿ? ಬಿ ರೂಟ್ 2 ಇಂಟು ಸೈನ್ ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟಪ್ಪ? ಟಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಸೈನ್ ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಟಿ, ಆರ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ರೂಟ್ 2 sin inverse what is t? What is t, students? T is sin x minus cos x. Okay, so this is the answer. Now so this is how we simplify, but let's look at options. Is anything looking similar to that? Ella tan inverse allide. How do you convert sin inverse to tan inverse? Sin inverse anna tan inverse heng convert ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? You should draw a right angle triangle alva. Sin theta means opposite by hypotenuse. I will assume opposite is sin x minus cos x, hypotenuse is 1. So what will be the adjacent side? Adjacent side will be root of 1 minus cos x whole square. So idanna sin inverse anna tan inverse anta baribekandre it will be like this: root 2 tan inverse sin x minus cos x by idu simplify ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ನಮಗೆ? What do we get here? ಇದನ್ನು ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತಪ್ಪ? sin x minus cos x whole square, sin square plus cos square, that is 1. So here you will get root of 2 sin x cos x ಅಂತ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Yes or no, students? Because 1 will get cancelled. Now divide every term by cos x. Every term you divide by cos x, ಆಗ ಏನು ಸಿಗತ್ತೆ ನಿಮಗೆ? sin by cos ಎಷ್ಟಪ್ಪ? tan. Cos by cos 1. And here I should divide by cos x, but root ಒಳಗೆ ಹೋದಾಗ it will become cos square x. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ರೂಟ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಬಂದಾಗ it will become cos square x. ಸೊ ಒಂದು cos x ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಏನು ಉಳಿಯುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? tan. Are you clear? So what is the answer? Root 2 tan inverse tan x minus 1 by root 2 tan x. This is the answer. Okay, this is a tough one. This came as a JEE previous year question. Okay, so it's a little lengthy one. Note down. I'll give you 1 or 2 minutes. Write down. Is it done, students? Shall we move on to the next one? Okay. All right. So now let's move on to some more questions. How do you integrate cos x into cos 2x into cos 3x? How do you integrate like this when there are product of three terms? Anybody? What should be our approach? When there is product, you should convert product into sum. Can you repeat what you should convert product into? Sum. So you should know the identity. What is 2 cos A cos B? What is the formula for 2 cos A cos B? 2 cos A cos B andre cos of A plus B plus cos of A minus B. By 2 sum to product iddaga by 2 baratte. Product to sum bandaga by 2 will not be there. Did you understand? ಈಗ ನೀವೇ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಬಿ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ? ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಬಿ? This is cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. So that sin A sin B will get cancelled. So what you will get? 2 cos A cos B. Artha aitappa? Yes? So then what will be cos A into cos B? Cos A into cos B will be half of cos of A plus B plus cos of A minus B. Understood, students? Okay. So group this and this. This is your A, this is your B. So cos A into cos B. Cos A into cos B ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? half cos A plus B. A plus B ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 4x plus cos A minus B 2x. ಈ ಎರಡು ಟರ್ಮ್ ಕಂಬೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಇದಾಗತ್ತೆ. ಇದ್ರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಟರ್ಮ್ ಇದೆ. ಏನಿದೆ? ಕಾಸ್ 2x. ಸೊ ಕಾಸ್ 2x as it is I am writing. These two I am combining using this formula. Okay. ಈಗ ತಿರ್ಗಾ ಇದನ್ನು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಆಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಹಾಫ್ ಕಾಸ್ 4x ಇಂಟು ಕಾಸ್ 2x ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಕಾಸ್ 2x ಇಂಟು ಕಾಸ್ 2x ಆರ್ ಕಾಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ 2x ಅಂತ. Can any of you tell me how to simplify this again? Product ಇದೆ. ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಂಟು ಸಮ್. ಸೊ ತಿರ್ಗಾ ಇದನ್ನು ಸಮ್ಗೆ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದಿ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಫಾರ್ ಕಾಸ್ ಎ ಕಾಸ್ ಬಿ? ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ? ಹಾಫ್ ಕಾಸ್ ಎ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಬಿ. ಹೌ ಮಚ್ ಇಸ್ ಎ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಬಿ? 6x ಪ್ಲಸ್
6x.
yes, and a minus b 2x. 2x alva. Okay. Here also you can apply that same formula if you want. It's like cos 2x into cos 2x anta. Or you know that formula also. What is formula for cos square theta? Cos square theta is nothing but 1 plus cos 2 theta by 2. Can you repeat? What is formula for cos square theta? 1 plus cos 2 theta divided by 2. So cos square 2x ಗೆ 1 plus cos 4x by 2 ಅಂತ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಈಗ 1 by 2 ಎಲ್ಲದಕ್ಕೂ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ and integrate each of them. So you will have 1 by 4 cos 6x plus 1 by 4 cos 2x plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 cos 4x. ಈಗ ಪ್ರತಿ ಟರ್ಮನ್ನು ಇಂಟೆಗ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಹೇಳಿ ಬೇಗ. ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಇಂಟೆಗ್ರಲ್ ಕಾಸ್ 6x? cos 6x ಇಂಟೆಗ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್?
Sin
Sin
6x
6x.
by 6.
sin
minus
6x
sin
ಮೈನಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲ ಪ್ಲಸ್ sin 6x by 6. ಸೊ 4 ಇಂಟು 6 ಎಷ್ಟಾಗತ್ತೆ? 4 ಇಂಟು 6
24.
24. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 24 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದೆನ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ sin 2x by 8 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. 4 2s are 8. Then what is integral 1? Integral 1 is x. And integral cos 4x is sin 4x by 4.
divided by 4.
Okay, ಈ ಥರ. ಸೊ ಲರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಏನಪ್ಪ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? ಎನಿ ಟೈಮ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಟ್ರಿಗ್ನಾಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್, ಅದನ್ನು ಏನಂತ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಇಂಟು ಸಮ್. Okay, note down children. I'm going a little fast so that we cover up one or two more questions. Okay, next concept that I want you to learn, this is which problem? Third problem this was third problem, this is fourth. Now the fifth problem, CET alli many times they have asked, fifth problem is based on an identity. Okay, what is the identity? You have studied also in NCERT board, e power x into f of x plus f dash x. When you integrate this, can you repeat what you should integrate? E power x into a function plus its derivative. When you integrate this, the answer is
f of x
plus
plus c.
Alva? Based on this concept, so many previous year CET questions have come. Okay, I am going to give you few of them from the previous year CET. Okay, so let's do some of them. Yes, this question. This appeared in 2021 CET. E power x into 1 plus sin x by 1 plus cos x dx equals dash. Okay, this is KCET 2021 question. First step ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಪ್ಪ? What do you think should be our first step? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ, what is correct, split the term and 1 plus cos x. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ 1 plus cos 2 theta. 1 plus cos 2 theta ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು? 1 plus cos 2 theta means 2 cos square theta, or 1 plus cos theta ಅಂದರೆ 2 cos square theta by 2 ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 theta ಇದ್ದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1 theta, ಇಲ್ಲಿ theta ಇದ್ದರೆ here what you will get? You will get theta by 2. So 1 plus cos x, in the next step you write it as 2 cos square x by 2. And as you rightly told, ಈಗ ಇದನ್ನು ಸ್ಪ್ಲಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. e power x into 1 by 2 cos square x by 2 plus sin x ಅನ್ನು I'll write as 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2 sin x. sin x ಅಂದರೆ sin 2 theta ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ. sin x will be 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2. ಈಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಕಾಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, 2 2 ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ವಾಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಐ ಗೆಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್? sine by cos. What is sine by cos? Tan x by 2. And illi 1 by cos andre?
Sec square.
So here you will have secant square x by 2 into half. And then e power x ide. Now, if I consider this as f of x, what is the derivative of tan? Secant square x by 2 into derivative of x by 2. Derivative of x by 2 is 1 by 2. Andre, isn't the whole derivative present here? Yes or no? Yes. So this is like your f of x, and this is like your f dash x. So what is the answer? What is the answer? Final answer is e power x. So answer is, the final answer here is e power x into tan x by 2 plus c. Okay. So CET ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸುಮಾರು ಸತಿ ಈ ಥರ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರಪ್ಪ. Yeah, one last question and then we'll stop. Done, students?
Yes, sir.
Okay. One more previous year CET question. Okay. Integral root cosecant x minus cot x dx. This is 6th question. Then 7th question also I'll put. We'll solve off 2 quickly. 1 by 1 plus 3 sin square x plus 8 cos square x dx. Okay. This appeared in 2023. Both appeared in 2023. ಜಲ್ದಿ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು ಹೌ ಟು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಅಂತ. ಓಕೆ, ಇದು ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ನಾವು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಹೆಂಗೆ ಮಾಡೋದು? ಕೊಸಿಕೆಂಟನ್ನು ಏನಂತ ಬರೀಲಿ? ಕೊಸಿಕೆಂಟನ್ನು ವಾಟ್ ಯು ಶುಡ್ ರೈಟ್ ಕೊಸಿಕೆಂಟ್ ಆಸ್? 1 by sine. So this will become 1 minus cos x divided by sin x. And what is 1 minus cos theta? 2 sin square x by 2. And then this will be 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2. So 2 2 cancel. One sin will get cancelled. Yes or no, children? So what you will end up getting? Or I can write root sin x by 2 by root cos x by 2, isn't it? Yes or no? Or root tan x by 2 antanu baribodu. Okay, but how do you simplify further? How do you integrate further from here? Any thoughts, students? Any idea? ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಫರ್ದರ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? ವಾಟ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? No idea? Okay, I'll give you 4 options. Can you check which will be correct? The 4 options are, oh, I made a mistake in the question. It is not cosecant minus cot, it is cosecant minus sine. Question e tappu. Okay, we'll do this in the next class. Cosecant minus sine agatte. Question tappu. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1 by sine minus sine. ಆಗ ಎಲ್ ಸಿ ಎಮ್ ತಗೊಂಡಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಎಲ್ ಸಿ ಎಮ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, ವಾಟ್ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್? 1 minus sin square x by sin x. What is 1 minus sine square x? Cos square x. Root and square will get cancelled. So here you will get cos x and denominator ಅಲ್ಲಿ sine. Now what next? Next is easy. Put sin x as t. Cos x dx will become dt. So answer is integral dt by root t, which is 2 root t. Andre 2 root sin x plus c. This is the answer. Okay. dt by root t. That question you take it as homework. Okay. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಬೈ ಕಾಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್. ಓಕೆ, ಡಿವೈಡ್ ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಬೈ ಕಾಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್. ಇದು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಿಲ್ಲಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಯು ಡೂ ದಿಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇನ್ ದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸೆಷನ್. ಓಕೆ, ಓಕೆ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ಸೊ ನೋಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಡೌನ್. Okay, next class we will take up definite integrals and other types, 7.7, 7.4 and all. Okay, thank you children for your patience. Have a nice day. Please, yeah, bye.
Thank you, sir.